Welcome everybody to Polymer Engineering course. Me, Saud Ablaze Lawainem and Hisham Al Salim. We're going to introduce you to the identification code and recycling issue these days. So, as a viewer, you're just wondering sometimes when you drink your cola, your water, that there is actually a code in the bottom of it. There is a special code. But sometimes we actually want the wrong idea about them. So Hisham, can you tell us what is the correct idea about it?
Yeah, this code is called identification code. It's found always in the plastic material, and it's identify the material and the type of the material itself. There are some people thinks wrong. There are some wrong understanding of the people. These codes mean how many times it's recycled. For example, if find number one, it's actually indicate polyethylene terephthalate, same as this bottles. Here we can find number one in the bottom in any bottles. This indicate the material itself.
All right. So what's the benefit actually for finding one or two or three?
Yeah, that's important for the companies that doing the recycling systems. So the recycling system is very important these days.
All right. So each and every time we hear that people actually wondering and just brushing about recycling system. So do recycling really important?
Yeah, it's really important. There's a lot of advantage. First of all, we can reduce the oil consumption.
How can that possibly actually?
There is a university, it's called Stanford University. They did an experiment. They recycled 1 ton of the recycled plastic, and they found that 1 ton equal to 16.3 bar of oil.
63. That's a huge number. Are you serious?
16.3.
That's just a huge. All right. So we got to know that it's an oil reducing or reducing the oil consumption. What's other than that?
Yeah, it can also save an energy. An example, the same university did the same experiment, but they found without recycling, it's consume a lot of energy. With recycling, we can save almost 4,774 kilowatt per hour of electricity.
That's great. So we're saving energy, we're saving oil. That's both of them actually we need in daily basis. So that's something great and something we know and something we have to change. So if we get to give the audience some advice about these things, how we can encourage the people actually to doing more recycling?
Yeah, I encourage actually the people to make a recycling system, for example, in the university, in the neighborhoods, and that's very useful in our community, especially in Saudi Arabia.
All right, thank you, Sham, and thank you, everybody. This is our video. Inshallah, we will try to upload more videos about polymer and recycling in the future. Thank you, Dr. Mohammed Liari. He's our instructor and advisor. And thank you, Ahmed Yusuf and Agil Al Amri. Thank you, everybody, and see you.